Hi, my name is Kathy Andronikou and today I'm going to show you how to make this plaque using SRM chalkboard markers. I found this plaque in a discount store and it was only about $1.50. I don't like the sentiment, so I'm going to rub that off with sandpaper to add a key to the plaque. Once that is done, I'm then going to use a damp cloth to wipe off any excess dust. I'm then going to take my chalkboard paint marker and I'm going to cover the entire plaque. When you first use it, you'll see that the nib is white, so you have to shake it and press a few times until the chalk paint actually starts to come through. You want to put at least 2 coats on the plaque. Make sure it dries in between coats. Whilst the paint is drying, die cut 2 flowers using Spellbinder's orchid die out of white and green card. Then I've taken a chameleon yellow colour tone pen. I've infused the brush nib for about 10 seconds and then using a flicking motion I've coloured the parts of the petals. Once all the petals are coloured, I'm then using an aqua marker and the fine nib to add some orange dots to the centre of the stamen and around the edges. You're then ready to shape all the elements of the flower. I use a large ball tool to shape the actual stamen and the petals. I curl the centre bit upwards and then I turn the petals over for the base and curl the underside. I just swap to a bigger ball here. The petals are all curling under. I'm then ready to turn it over and press into the centre and shape with my fingers. Then take the top petal and curve in the inner part and turn over and just curl under the edges. I find the smaller ball tool works best for this part. Once all the elements are shaped, you can then put them together roughly to make sure that you have the right dimension. Repeat this process for the leaves, curling down the centre to add a bit of shape. To add strength to the flower, I'm using some UTTE with some flex in. The flex actually allows it to move a little bit and not crack. Once the flex has melted into the embossing powder, you are then ready to add the elements of your flower. Do each piece individually and leave to dry. Once all the elements of the flower and leaves are done, you'll be able to assemble and put them ready to go on your chalkboard. I have some metallic thread that I've used for my stem. If you have any green twine, you could use that also. Position it on the chalkboard, and when you're happy with the positioning, glue into place with hot glue. You're now ready to add your sentiment. So I've taken the broad chalk marker in white and written my little message. Thanks for joining me today. For more inspiration, please check out the SRM blog or my blog at candronicocardcraft.blogspot.co.uk.